Hey guys, welcome back, and in this tutorial we're not really going to learn anything new specifically for coding, or whatever you want to call it, but we're going to go over how to properly comment your code so that other people understand what you're doing. So this is something that I haven't shown you guys before, but there are multiple ways to comment your code. So the most common one that you'll see is two forward slashes, and this is used for single line commenting. So like right above here you could write object of the tutorial to class, like this has no effect on your code. It's just for other people, so when they read your code, they know what you're doing. So if for something simple like this, they probably don't need you to tell them what you're doing. But if you were writing, like a 60 to 100 line code program, comments every now and then it's gonna be helpful. But that's a single line code comment, and you can just keep doing that, over and over again if you want to do multi-line. But another way to do multi-line comments is a forward with one asterisk, and then you just end it with a asterisk and a forward, like right here. And every time you want to add another line, you just put an asterisk between them. Or if you're doing this in Eclipse, it'll just, every time you hit enter, it'll just do it for you. So now you could just write object for tutorial to class. So this is a multi-line comment. And then so those are two ways of commenting that are helpful for like when you just want to actually make comments on your code. But the next way of commenting is what you want to do when you make methods, and that's called Java doc style. And they call it that because it will format your comment into a style that other actual methods use. So what you would do is you put a forward slash and then two asterisks, and then you do the same thing as a multi-line comment where you just end it off with an asterisk and another forward slash. But see how this one's blue? This means it's JavaDoc. And what JavaDoc allows you to do is for methods, you can use the @ sign, and then you can write, like, see this box pops up, and it has a bunch of things that come up. So you can put param, so that stands for parameters. You put @param, and you can write the word like none, or and then like @return for like the return type, and this actually does have none. But if it did, it'd be helpful to put there for people who would use your code in the future. So let me show you how this gets formatted. Like if you hover over your method, like you just click it and then hit the F2 key. See this box pops up and it tells you the method name and the class it's in, and then like here it'll say parameters none and returns none. So this is how you format your comments to match something of like how actual like people comment. Like see, like when you have this box and you like, let's say you want to look at this toString method, see how all this text is here, like for you to understand, to read through, and it says like at the bottom here it says returns. This is the JavaDoc style, and you could click this little JavaDoc button down here in Eclipse, and it'll open it over here for you to actually like view in a bigger thing if you do want to look at it. So that's the advantage of doing the JavaDoc style, and I really do recommend doing that whenever you make a method. And there's more than just the parameters and the return. Like you could just hit the @ sign and then like look through of like which ones you might be useful to you, because there's about like 20 or so that are just here alone. So that's JavaDoc style, and like I said, I really recommend it. So I hope you guys use it in your own programs. Thanks for watching.